guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day 18. So there's a tiny voice in the hallway.
Week till Christmas.
It's mad. It is literally Christmas Day a week today.
And
crazy.
Horrible.
It's vile. But we're going up to Totnes Christmas market. I think Becca's going up now. And Carl and I are just going to chill for a minute because we've just got in, and then we'll probably meet them up there.
Foods.
Yeah, need food up there, but I just want to warm up for a second, which I realise sounds kind of contradictory. I don't know.
Weird.
Yeah, but I'm just
weird. We know that word.
I'm just uploading yesterday's video. I'm just gonna say I'm probably gonna have a hot drink, and then I think we'll jump in the car and just go up there because we're gonna try and hopefully get pork bap up there. This is what I mean. I am so freaking tired. I have lost the ability to speak in English.
I have twice as much work as I started with on Monday. It's depressing me now.
Yeah, it's crazy. However, just open my advent calendar and look what I have in there. So I haven't seen these around, so I don't 100% know what it is. But it is a Mickey True Original collectible minifigure for Mickey's 90th. Let me turn the camera around and I can show you properly because I'm doing this at a really awkward angle. So there we go. It is, that's the front. That's Chris's entrance. And you can get one of these figures. So I am going to open this up and have a look what I've got. It looks like there's a rare golden Mickey, but I kind of want Sorcerer Mickey, I'm not going to lie. Okay, so I randomly have a dog sharing my chair. Becca has grey lipstick in her advent calendar, which she's now weirded out about.
It's proper grey. And I'm...
Oh, and it smells funky. It smells like paint stripper.
That doesn't smell good. You can smell it in there.
Can you open this? Just vlogging problems. Find yourself a glamorous assistant. Like, what is this dog doing?
Helping.
Well, it's not the super rare one.
It's
It
not gold.
is this one. I have no idea. Just this one. Let's have a look. So you can get the Golden Mickey, Technicolor Mickey, Sorcerer's Apprentice, the Steamboat Willie, Mickey Mouse. So that one says Mickey Mouse Shorts, which is the one that I have. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, Comic Mickey, Tie-Eye Mickey, Mouseketeer, and Plain Crazy. I have no idea where Carl got this, but it's pretty cool. I like it. Just leaving Totnes Christmas Market. I have myself a hog roast bap, which I'm so happy about. We found a random cat because this is all I wanted last year. I couldn't find one. Carl has some mac and cheese, and we also got some brownies. Hello cat, this cat's coming with us apparently. From Awesome Brownies because they are awesome. Okay, so these are the brownies we picked up this time. We've had them from this company before. Most recently they were at a chocolate fair, but we've actually got 4 new flavours. So we have a Seville Spiced Orange, a Choco Block. This one is Cherry, which looks like their raspberry one. I don't know how well you can see, it's kind of dark in here, but there's all like coulis on top. And then the one in the bag is a Minty Bubbles.
Should we have that one? Should we take that one out?
Yeah, we can do. But he put it in the bag because he said it's quite a strong flavour and it can get into the others. So we're going to split this one with a cup of tea. There we go. So we're going to split this because it is a big brownie. Like, that's my hand. That's the dog snoot. I've just cut this in half. It's kind of like a lot of layers. It's like half brownie, half cake. But let's try it. I love mint, so I really like that. It's got kind of like a creamy peppermint layer like you'd find in After Eights and things, isn't it? Very good. I like it. All round, pretty happy. And now we are just in our little cozy spot, eating our brownies, watching Gordon Ramsay's Kitchen Nightmares because I am obsessed with this right now. So that's pretty much going to be tonight. So I will catch up with you tomorrow. Bye guys.